Active Minds is a nonprofit based in DC. We originally started as a chapter at University of Pennsylvania. Our founder and CEO, Allison Melman, unfortunately lost her brother to suicide. And at the time, this was about 20 plus years ago, she felt like there weren't enough resources for him as well as herself. So she mobilized, started a chapter, and now we have over 500 chapters around the different schools and around the country, as well as the nonprofit itself, which is based in DC. So we have about 100 backpacks divided by stories of loss, which are the yellow ones, stories of hope, which are the blue ones. The stories of loss, deal with loss. A lot of them are deaths by suicides. And then some of the blue ones still have losses by suicide. However, something kind of hopeful, quote unquote, came out. So a foundation was created, a movement was made, a law was passed, and some survivor stories as well. And the point of them, other than keeping these stories alive, is as you read a lot of them, there's a common theme where they felt alone with their struggles. They couldn't reach out to people. They didn't have access to proper resources, so they just felt shame and stigma. And again, we're here just to let people know, look, you have national resources, 988, crisis text line, peers.net, as well as campuses, local resources at your campus. So utilize them. I believe here at Miramar, you get 6 free counseling sessions. Use that. So unfortunately, they're a little past, but whatever you're feeling, mental health is a normal thing. All of us have it. You go to the doctor for your physical health. You can go to a trained professional for your mental health. And so the Hope Wall in particular are all messages left by fellow students and staff. They do stay on campus. And it's just a reminder, people care about you. I mean, words of self-affirmation are important. Reaching out to others are important. And that's kind of what we want to get out of every piece of the exhibit.